So thanks so much for all you guys that Imajin cannot be here without the support of everybody that helping us since the beginning.
We would like to extend our appreciation for Imajin, for Pak Chandi, for driving the creations of the digital economy in BSD. And going forward, we partners with players, with startups like Imajin, like Pak Chandi, Pak Stefanus, to help us solve the problems faster, more efficient, and optimize our resources.
3, 2, 1! Congratulations for the grand opening of Imajin Advanced Manufacturing Center!
I stay on the beat, you can count on me. I ain't missing no steps. 'Cause every romance shakes and it bends. Don't give a
Selamat, congratulations to Imajin for opening the Imajin Advanced Manufacturing Center.
Such kind of great opening ceremony, and we are hoping to collaborate with Imajin to accelerate parts manufacturing in Indonesia and the digitalization.
Selamat untuk Imajin untuk grand opening, a very cool. Bisnisnya terus growing dan menjadi player di industri manufacturing Indonesia, terutama untuk empowering the technology.